Welcome to MarineMax Clearwater. This is Brian Bachland today with a walkthrough video on the brand new 2020 Boston Whaler 38 Realm. This is the first one we've actually gotten in the showroom. See stainless anchor and windlass up front. And we'll step around to the transom and you'll see it's powered by quad 400 horsepower Mercury Verado outboards with joystick piloting for a top speed of 60 miles an hour and amazing maneuverability around the dock. See the Garlic boarding ladder on the transom, as well as the dive door, which has another ladder you can deploy. So let's step aboard and take a look. You can see we're greeted by the blue LED lighting throughout. Transom, there's our dive ladder. And that is a classic Boston Whaler folding transom seat for very comfortable seating for your passengers. We do have port and starboard fish boxes. Transom table stores under the lazarette hatch for easy deployment. Here we have a fore and aft facing seat with a 260 quart refrigerated cooler. You can pop that up for easy loading, and there's another smaller clear door for easy access to your food or beverages. Over on the port side, we have our summer kitchen, refrigerator, Kenyon grill, sink, storage, everything you need. And we can see the first row of seating, the Helm chair, that actually does swivel around. So you have fore and aft facing seating. Put your table in the middle, have dinner under the shade. Very comfortable passengers chair to port. Moving up to the dash, we'll see 3/16-inch Ray Marine screens, and do have full digital switching for your lights and all your engine systems. Controls, trim tabs, joystick piloting. Does have a joystick, and this boat is equipped with a seat keeper as well, so you can mitigate 95% of your roll when you're out on the seas for a very comfortable environment for everybody. Moving forward on the port side, we'll see the path through to the bow, a very ruggedly constructed hardtop and window enclosure. This boat does have the enclosure package. Bow door to close out all the elements. And moving forward, we'll see the very spacious bow seating area. Lounge seating in the back, armrests and cup holders, wraparound seating, again full JL audio system, electrically actuated table will go up and down for a full sun pad, and you can remove the pad and see the beautiful teak table underneath. This boat is fully equipped with electronics, does have chart plotters, fish finders, radar already equipped. And let's step down below and check out your accommodations. Very easy access down below. Port side, we do have the sink and refrigerator. Distribution panels and TV overhead. Beautifully finished teak table. Again, we have configurable lighting. We have blue LED, white LED lighting. That table does retract, so you have a full sleeping area. And we have a very spacious head as well. So you can fold the teak seat down. This is a wet head, so it serves as a shower as well. Plenty of space. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, please feel free to give me a call. Again, this is Brian Bachland at MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 813-503-2649. So give me a call, come on and down and see this boat or any of our in-stock inventory in person in our indoor showroom, or give us a call, set up a demo, get on the water today. Thanks for joining. Hope to see you on the water soon.